By 2030, nearly 40% of today's jobs could change dramatically. Not disappear overnight, but transform. The real question isn't whether artificial intelligence will replace jobs. The question is, will it replace yours? Stay till the end to find this out. Imagine waking up one morning, checking your email, and finding out your job has been automated. No warning, just a simple message. Your role is no longer required. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. It's happening right now across the world, from offices in New York to factories in China to call centers in India. AI is quietly reshaping the global workforce. The future of AI isn't something we're waiting for anymore. It's the quiet partner already sitting at our desks. Companies across the world are integrating AI into daily operations. AI can now write reports, analyze data, design presentations, generate marketing campaigns, answer customer queries, even write code. It's the invisible hand helping us draft emails, the second set of eyes catching details in a medical scan, and the tireless voice navigating us through city traffic. Because it doesn't need a coffee break or a paycheck, it's become the ultimate tool for a world that never stops moving. Even in banking and finance, algorithms now handle loan approvals, fraud detection, and risk analysis. Jobs once done by humans. Tasks that once required degrees and years of experience can now be assisted or partially automated by software. And it's not just happening in one country. It's happening all over the world. Not all jobs are equally vulnerable. Most at-risk roles share three characteristics: repetitive tasks, rule-based decision-making, and digital output. Jobs like data processing, accounting, customer support, and administrative work are particularly exposed. Even middle management isn't immune, because AI can track performance, analyze metrics, and optimize workflows faster than humans. This isn't just theory. In 2017, JP Chase built an AI system called Contract Intelligence. Before that, lawyers spent about 360,000 hours every year reviewing loan agreements. That's more than 41 years of human work annually. Now the AI can review those same documents in seconds. And remember, this didn't happen recently. It happened years ago. AI has been quietly taking over parts of white-collar work. Most people just didn't notice. Companies aren't just chasing a trend. They're leaning into the kind of speed and precision that changes the game. Companies love efficiency, and efficiency means higher profits. As technology and business goals align, the way we work is evolving, reminding us that while our tools are getting faster, the human perspective behind the work is becoming more vital than ever. Now here's the part most people don't talk about. Artificial intelligence doesn't only remove jobs, it also creates new ones. Every major technological shift destroyed some jobs, but created new ones. The Industrial Revolution replaced manual labor, but created engineers and managers. The internet replaced traditional media, but created digital marketers and developers. For decades, technology replaced physical labor, but this time it's different. AI isn't targeting muscles, it's targeting minds. AI is not simply removing jobs, it is redefining value. The real danger isn't automation, it's staying static while the environment changes. If your work involves creativity, emotional intelligence, complex decision-making, or human connection, it's much harder to replace. Roles like AI trainers, prompt engineers, automation specialists, and data analysts barely existed a few years ago. Even traditional professions are evolving. So how do you stay relevant? You do need to adapt. The future belongs to people who learn how to work with AI, not against it. Companies don't want employees who resist change. They want employees who drive it. So what does this mean for you? 3 things. First, learn AI tools early. Second, build skills. AI struggles with communication, negotiation, leadership, problem solving. Third, position yourself as someone who leverages technology. Learn how AI tools are used in your field. Strengthen skills that machines struggle to copy. And most importantly, keep learning. Because the most dangerous mindset today is thinking, this won't affect me. It already is. The future of work is not being decided by machines. It's being decided by the people who choose to understand them. And the smartest professionals are preparing today. So let me ask you, do you think AI will replace your job or transform it? Share your thoughts in the comments. If this video made you think, hit like. Subscribe for more insights on the future of work. And share this with someone who still thinks AI is just a trend. Because the future of work has already begun. In our next video, we'll explore the top 10 careers most vulnerable to AI and how you can prepare to survive.